Welcome.
Right.
Welcome.
Great.
Front court.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Sekisui Chemical Group is engaged in business in Japan and throughout the world with a workforce of around 23,000.
I didn't know that, SSCA's products.
For 70 years since its founding in 1947, Sekisui Chemical has achieved sustainable growth by contributing to the improvement of people's lives and the global environment. Over the years, however, the company has faced a number of management crises that required decisive action. No matter how difficult the times, by acting with courage and making the decision to change, the company has managed to recover itself, grow, and evolve. Most importantly, in fiscal 2013, the company reported the highest profit since its founding, and it has continued to achieve record-breaking performance.
Sekisui Chemical Group has expanded into a larger ship, and my mission is to transform it into a more attractive, sturdier vessel that better meets the needs of the times. I will seek to transform it into an organization that can withstand the harsh business environment that lies ahead, and to move it forward at a faster speed. Going forward, I will map out a vision for a new phase of growth and work to transform that vision into action.
A ceremony was held on March 3, 2017, to commemorate the company's 70th anniversary. The new mid-term management plan was announced prior to the ceremony.
Today marks our 70th anniversary, a truly auspicious day. And this year will represent a milestone, marking the beginning of our new midterm management plan. Over the past several years, Sekisui Chemical Group has continued to achieve record-breaking profit. We expect this year to be our 8th straight year of profit growth and 4th straight year of record-breaking profit. Now is the time to reach the next stage by developing our vision for a new phase of growth and putting that vision into action.
The new midterm management plan marks the first step toward this new phase of growth. Sekisui Chemical Group will uphold its corporate philosophy of 3S principles and achieve growth by implementing its group vision to maintain a strong corporate presence for 100 years and beyond. Shift is the keyword for our new midterm management plan. This acronym expresses our collective resolve to take on the challenge of attaining a new phase of growth. S stands for developing a sustainable management foundation. H means empowering diverse human resources as the backbone of our business. I is for innovation. F means opening up frontiers. And T stands for transformation by strengthening our earnings power. Our goal is quantitative growth in sales, accompanied by solid profitability and a qualitative transition to boost our operating income ratio of more than 10%. Sekisui Chemical Group will pursue forward-looking investment, constant structural reform, and persistent innovation to realize a new phase of growth. Fusion, internally and externally, will further accelerate shift. We will seek fusion in our technologies, business opportunities, and management resources, and strengthen internal and external alliances to further expand the scope of our business. The high-capacity film-type lithium-ion battery is an example of business development based on fusion with outside partners. The project was launched as Kyocera Corporation selected Sekisui's battery for its home storage battery system. The film dye-sensitized solar cell is another product expected to be used in a variety of applications. Sekisui Heim meets the need for the ideal home demanded by the times. A large capacity, compact indoor installation type storage battery that offers V2H compatibility, together with hems and triple glass plastic sashes, have led to 100% energy self-sufficiency, virtually eliminating anxiety over electric power.
We will take on the challenge of opening up frontiers by honing Sekisui Heim's unique qualities and reforming our core business. The fusion we seek in our technology lies in creating high value-added subdivision houses based on the smart house and large lot development.
Meanwhile, at its factories, the company is enhancing its communication with customers to demonstrate the attractive features of its industrialized housing. Outside Japan, Sekisui Heim has been highly regarded for its short construction period and level of comfort, and the company has taken the local market by storm. In Japan, Sekisui Heim carries out renovation, offers services designed to support customers at every stage of their lives, engages in the real estate business, and develops other wide-ranging businesses that are unique to Sekisui Heim, including assisted living housing for the elderly and residential services that meet both interior and exterior needs. Sekisui Chemical Group began its aggressive push into overseas markets nearly 54 years ago. It was the first Japanese manufacturing company to enter the U.S. market with the production of expanded polystyrene paper in Pennsylvania. Today, the company is boldly pursuing the thermoplastic sheet business in the same region. Here we can see fusion at work between the high-performance plastics company and SPI's sheet business as they jointly develop new aviation products. In another example of fusion, the R&D Center is collaborating with the Urban Infrastructure and Environmental Products Company to commercialize the world's first carbon fiber reinforced thermoplastics continuous atypical molding technology established by Sekisui. The Urban Infrastructure and Environmental Products Company had struggled to achieve profitability over the past few years. But after rigorously restructuring its overseas operations and improving profitability in Japan, it now enjoys record profit.
We derive our competitive strength from our presence in the industry, the Sekisui chemical name, and our representative brands such as Estlin and powerful partners. But to launch us on a trajectory of growth, I felt we needed to adopt the approach of starting anew by further honoring our strengths.
Sekisui boasts top-level market share in Japan as well as powerful brands for its plastic pipes and construction materials. we contribute to maintaining lifelines and aquatic environments around the world through technologies we have cultivated over many years. FFU synthetic wood materials are used as railway sleepers in Japan as well as in Germany and other countries in Europe. Applications continue to expand on a global scale. Attractive tatami mats offering rich color variations and functionality are being used to create Japanese-style spaces around the world through a unique beauty that transcends their cultural origins. Sekisui maintains the #1 global market share in interlayer films for automotive laminated glass, a product that continues to evolve dramatically. Luminous PVB interlayer film contains a luminescent material that is activated by a laser beam from a projector installed inside the vehicle. It's capable of displaying a greater volume of information.
Originally established as a processing and sales company, since our founding, we have consistently been first not only in Japan, but also around the world in the field of plastic processing. We contribute to society by adding value through processing. Our origins and leadership are a source of our pride.
For example, Sekisui was the first in the world to invent a foam production method using electron beams. We are pursuing the polyolefin foam business on a global scale and command the top global market share for PP foam used in automobile interiors. Sekisui is harnessing its unrivaled proprietary technologies to produce high-performance materials and intermediate products that meet the needs of diverse fields. In the electronics field, Sekisui provides materials for display devices, such as conductive fine particles and sealants, which have achieved the top share of the global market. Applications for these products are expected to further expand in the field of semiconductors. Sekisui is also bolstering its lineup of functional foam tape and light-shielding PET tape to keep pace with the rising performance needs of mobile devices. In the building and infrastructure field, our fire protection materials have earned customer recognition and trust for their ability to expand when exposed to flame, thereby preventing damage from spreading. In the life sciences, Sekisui is meeting international medical needs by providing the world's first plastic vacuum blood collection tubes, diagnostic reagents, and analyzers. Given the changing expectations of society and ongoing internal initiatives, Sekisui Chemical Group adopted a fresh approach for its CSR philosophy to promote businesses from the perspective of ESG. Sekisui will seek to fulfill its social responsibilities related to business processes through strict enforcement of its corporate governance systems. It will also strive to resolve social issues through its business activities by realizing its three prominences.
We hope to expand the scope of our environment-contributing products to encompass the social environment and raise the share of these products to 60% of total sales. We will also engage in natural environment conservation through an inclusive effort engaging all employees to participate.
During the 4th Sekisui Environment Week, about 100 people participated in eliminating invasive plants in New York City, while also developing their understanding of biodiversity and environmental awareness.
We will provide products and services that inspire. Product development begins with the customer's voice. we will strive for greater customer satisfaction by creating and providing products with genuine value.
Executive Advisor Okubo received the prestigious Deming Prize for Individuals in recognition of his leadership in promoting CS in quality management. Sekisui Chemical itself received the award for innovation in quality management. Businesses today require diverse human resources and management that are capable of maximizing talent. Sekisui Chemical Group has been recognized as an enterprise that actively empowers female workers, and the company has been selected to the list of 100 Japanese companies that promote diversity management. Empowering diverse human resources will revitalize the organization and ensure sustainable growth. Moreover, teams with diverse skills will enable the company to respond flexibly to the globalization of its business and ever-changing market needs. Sekisui provides an environment in which everyone can freely express their opinions and demonstrate personal strength. For example, during the 70th anniversary ceremony, employees who represent the future leaders of Sekisui Chemical Group shared their insights.
We will create the future. Let us work together to take on this challenge.
New phase of growth is to grow with quantitative growth and qualitative transition, with awareness and responsibility as a company. We are about to open the door together to a new phase. This will be a long-term effort for maintaining our strong corporate presence for 100 years and beyond. We must steadfastly advance over the next 3 years to double our sales and the scope of business.
To reach the new phase envisioned by the Midterm Management Plan Shift 2019 Fusion. We are boldly taking the first step and will continue to move forward together.